Let me tell you something. I started with nothing, no money, no connections, just a burning desire to escape mediocrity. Everyone told me to be realistic, but I refused to settle. I made a decision I would do whatever it took to build a life of freedom and success. My story isn't special, it's proof that the system works if you work it. You might think your situation is different, but those are just excuses. I had every obstacle you can imagine, but I chose action over complaining. The journey from zero to financial freedom is a formula. Follow the steps. Get the results. I didn't wait for luck, I created my own opportunities. If I can do it, so can you. Your past doesn't define your future unless you let it. This isn't just another guide, it's the blueprint I used to climb out of the pit. I'm handing you the keys, but you have to turn the lock. Are you ready to stop watching and start building? Let's get to work. People obsess over what they lack: money, connections, time. But what you really lack is focus. Money follows attention. Success follows obsession. Your superpower is the ability to lock in on one goal and pour everything into it. When you focus, obstacles shrink and creativity explodes. Right now, your energy is scattered. You need to become a laser beam. Channel all your thoughts and actions into one burning desire: building your wealth. This isn't about balance, it's about obsession. Your real competition is distraction. Your phone, your comfort, your excuses. Declare war on distractions, turn off notifications, go dark if you have to. Let people call you obsessed. That's how you win. Outfocus everyone. While others dabble, you dominate. This is your unfair advantage. Write down your #1 goal. Commit to it with relentless, obsessive focus. Give it everything. Your massive focus starts now. This is the real key to unlocking the vault. Stop worrying about what others are doing. Competition is for amateurs. Pros dominate. You don't win by being smarter, but by being more disciplined. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Show up every day, especially when you want to quit. Discipline is a muscle. Use it and it grows. Most people quit when the excitement fades. That's your edge. Consistency beats brilliance. Create a non-negotiable schedule for your hustle. Treat it as sacred. Don't cancel on your future. Track your actions, not just your results. Win the day, and you'll win the game. Forget the competition. Focus on your execution. Dominate your schedule, and you'll dominate your market. Relentless discipline is your secret weapon. Be the one who never quits. You need money now. Let's get practical. Forget passion. Start with a survival hustle that solves someone's problem for a fee. Look around. What do people hate doing? That's your opportunity. Offer to wash cars, mow lawns, clean gutters, or haul junk. Whatever gets cash flowing. Post your services online, go door to door, and get your first dollar. Don't overthink it, just start. This quick cash hustle relieves pressure and proves you can create money from nothing. Over-deliver on every job. Do more than expected. Ask for referrals from every happy customer. Work nights, weekends. Get obsessed with stacking cash. This isn't your forever business, but it's your launchpad. The confidence and control you gain are worth more than the cash. Once you've got momentum, you can think bigger. The first step is gritty, unglamorous work, but it's the foundation for everything that comes next. Get out there and make it happen. Your journey starts now. Today, you have a secret weapon: AI. Tools like ChatGPT are like having a team of interns working for free. If you're not using AI, you're choosing to work harder and slower. Use ChatGPT to write ads, sales scripts, flyers instantly. Need business ideas? Ask it. Need a business plan? Ask it. AI helps you move faster and smarter. It's not a shortcut for the lazy. It's leverage for the ambitious. Generate content, refine it, and execute. You're still the pilot. AI is your co-pilot. Don't be intimidated. Play with it, ask questions, get better at prompting. This is the new leverage. Use AI to 10x your output. Crush your goals with it. The internet is noisy. Don't be generic, own a micro niche. The riches are in the niches, but the gold is in the micro niches. Serve a specific group with a specific problem. Become their go-to authority. Find your micro niche by looking at your own skills and problems you've solved. Don't worry if the audience is small. 1,000 true fans can build an empire. Be everywhere your audience is. Facebook groups, Instagram, forums. Provide massive value. Answer questions, solve problems, help for free. Don't sell, just help. Document your journey, share wins, losses, lessons. Authentic content builds trust. People buy from those they know, like, and trust. Be hyper-specific and radically transparent. When your niche has a problem, your name should come to mind. Your journey is your marketing. Own your micro niche and you'll attract your ideal customers. Dominate your tiny pond. Ideas are worthless, action is everything. The secret to big goals is small, daily, repeatable tasks. Your empire is built on daily habits. Identify the key activities that drive revenue, do them every day. Make your daily grind non-negotiable. Track your activity, not your feelings. Check off your daily goals, create a feedback loop. It's not about getting a yes every time, it's about doing your reps. The results follow the activity. This discipline separates dreamers from dominators. Most people act when inspired, winners act every day. In a year, you'll be so far ahead they won't see your dust. Protect your work blocks, honor them. Your daily grind is the engine of your success. Feed it every day. Hustle gets you started, but systems build empires. If you're the only one who can do the work, you've just created a job. To scale, build systems from day one. Document every repeatable process. Turn tasks into checklists. Use simple tools, Google Docs, Trello, or a notebook. Every task you do more than once should become a system. When you're ready to hire, hand them your playbook. Systems let you replace yourself in the day-to-day. This frees you to focus on strategy, sales, and vision. Build systems before you need them. Each system is a brick in your foundation. Lay them carefully and soon you'll have an empire that runs without you. Think like a business owner from the start. Systemize to scale. The fastest way to grow is to teach what you're learning as you go. Don't wait to be an expert. Share your journey now. Teaching accelerates your own learning and makes you relatable. Document your wins, losses, and lessons. Your daily work is your content. Share real stories. People crave authenticity, not perfection. Consistent sharing builds an audience that trusts you. This audience becomes your foundation for future income. They'll buy your products, join your programs, and root for your success. Stop waiting. Start sharing. Document your climb. Teach as you learn and build your brand and bank account. The first hustle is about survival, but you're here to dominate. Take the cash and skills from your first hustle and stack a second, more scalable income stream. Then a third. Build multiple rivers of income. Start with lawn care, then sell an ebook about your journey, then offer coaching. Each new stream builds on the last. Your service business gives you experience. Documenting your journey builds your audience. The audience lets you sell digital products and coaching. Add affiliate marketing, courses, newsletters, stack your streams. This is how you move from hustler to CEO. Diversify, accelerate, and protect your wealth. Stack your hustles, build your fortune. That's the blueprint. Your most valuable asset isn't your product, it's your story. People crave connection, not perfection. Your journey is your brand. Share your struggles, your breakthroughs, and lessons. Trust is the ultimate currency. Infuse your story into every product and piece of content. Don't just sell a service. Sell the story of why you started. Your ebook is your roadmap. Your coaching is your mentorship. You're selling transformation, not just information. No one can compete with your story. Own it, tell it, and weave it into everything you do. Your brand is the story you tell. Make it compelling. Turn customers into evangelists. This journey isn't easy. There will be days you want to quit. Doubt and fear are part of the process. The only difference between winners and quitters is the decision to keep going. Setbacks mean you're pushing boundaries. When doubt creeps in, return to your why. Your reason must be bigger than your excuses. Winners reframe failure as feedback. Every no is data, every mistake a lesson. Detach from outcomes. Obsess over the process. Celebrate small wins. Action beats perfection. Protect your mindset like it's gold. Cut out negativity. Surround yourself with success. You're in a fight for your future. Train your mind for victory. You have the blueprint, the steps, the knowledge. The biggest trap now is waiting for the perfect moment. Don't be a professional student. Be a doer. Take one action today, not tomorrow. What's the smallest step you can take right now? Do it in the next hour. The goal isn't to build your empire today. It's to break inertia. Action creates clarity, confidence, and results. Every day you wait, you rob your future self. The perfect plan doesn't exist. You'll figure it out as you go. Mistakes mean you're in the game. The momentum from your first action fuels the next. This is your call to action. Close this article, turn off your phone, and take that step. Your journey begins with action, not planning. The life you want is on the other side of doing. You have the power and the plan. The only question, will you use it? Go get what's yours. Start today.